Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SWRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from, and definitely want to get things updated as the bulls had another very solid day. Now, before I get to anything else, I first want to do a little bit of house cleaning here. And what I'm going to do is just delete these green lines out here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter everywhere with lines all over the place. So I just want to try to keep this as clean and neat as possible. First update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. For those of you that watched yesterday's video, I talked about 6 cents as resistance, but now that the price is above it, like I said, the rule states you would want to see it act as support, and that is exactly what happened here. I mean, price got above it, and I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole bunch of times the bears kept trying to press down through that level, and to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong at 6 cents. Now, this is still an ideal level, meaning if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Looking at things from more big picture perspective, that's where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scope of things perspective, the easiest way to kind of gauge the strength of the current price movement is that as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the strength is at full power. The bulls are in full control, full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? So if this movement is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds? Currently, the key level, I realize the price did get up above this point, but I'm going to call right up here at that 8 cent mark, just mainly because that's where the main area of congestion was. Again, I realize, yeah, the price did technically get up above that area, but from a price congestion point of view, I think you can see there's quite a bit more history right around here on the chart. So for me personally, I think that's where kind of the truer level of resistance is, right up there at 8 cents. But all in all, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. So let's see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.